Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel School. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the most powerful tools in Microsoft Excel macros. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same steps over and over again in Excel, then macros can be your new best friend. By the end of this video, you'll know how to record a macro, run it, and understand how it saves you a huge amount of time. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's first understand what a macro actually is. In simple terms, a macro is a recorded set of instructions that Excel can repeat for you automatically. Key points about macros in Excel are automation tool. Macros help automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing manual effort. Recorded actions. They record your steps in Excel, such as formatting, typing, or calculations, and replay them automatically. Uses VBA language. Every macro is built using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, Excel's programming language. Easy to run. Once recorded, a macro can be run anytime with one click, a shortcut key, or a button, stored in workbooks. Macros are saved in macro-enabled Excel files with the extension .xlsm. To begin working with macros, you need to enable the Excel file. To do that, go to File, Save As, choose the desired location where you want to save the file, and in Save As type select Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. Now we will start recording the macro. For that, right-click on the ribbon, choose Customize the ribbon, and then check the box next to Developer. Once you click OK, you'll see a new Developer tab at the top. This tab contains all the tools we'll use to record, view, and run macros. Now let's record our first macro. Go to the Developer tab and click on Record Macro. A dialog box will appear. Give your macro a name, for example, Format Report. You can even assign a shortcut key if you want to run it quickly later. Choose where to store the macro. For now, select this workbook. Then click OK, and Excel will start recording every step you perform. Once done, go back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. Congratulations, you've just created your first macro. Now let's open a file where you want to run a macro. Go back to the Developer tab, click on Macros, choose Format Report, and click Run. Instantly, Excel will repeat all those actions for you automatically. Imagine how much time this can save when you're doing repetitive work like formatting reports, cleaning data, or generating monthly summaries. If you're curious to see what happens behind the scenes, you can click on View Code, where you can see the VBA code Excel recorded for you. Even if you don't understand coding yet, it's a great way to start learning how Excel automates things. And that's it. You've just learned how to create, record, and run macros in Excel. With this knowledge, you can automate your daily tasks and make your work much faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.